everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. Today in this video, we will be learning how to log out of your Reddit application using your smartphone. To log out of Reddit app, first of all, open up the Reddit application on your device and then from the home page, tap on your profile avatar at the top right corner. Right after you do that, you'll end up in this profile section where you need to go and tap settings at the bottom. Inside the settings menu, go ahead and tap on your username under account settings, and on the next page, tap on the switch account button. Right after you do that, in the pop-up that appears at the bottom, you will see a little door exit kind of an icon. Simply tap on that and click on log out to log out of your account. And right after that, you will be logged out of your account on Reddit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel for more quick, easy app tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.